We got the Corvette Stingray up in front, and we got a Challenger, I believe, but I'm not sure. But it's a purple one, way up there, guys. I don't know if you guys can see. You guys think the guy in the Corvette can want to run it? Yeah, I don't think he'll run it. We're just driving a little bit slow. No. Dude, why is there always gotta be traffic in Twin? Like, what is everybody coming to Twin for? Well, I'm guessing I'm gonna have to go get gas too. Anyways, guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Antoine, for those that don't know me. And today I'm just coming to Twin, just to chill, honestly. There's nothing too special about today. But I'm trying to get closer to the purple Challenger that's white body. Probably a scat pack. It's not bad looking. Jeez, my boy, I'm about to gap you. I'm guessing that's definitely a wrap. And I like how the license plate said nope. That's just funny. Guys, I've been wanting a BMW M3. And I'm considering selling the Mustang for one. I want an M3, but I also want an M340i, like the newer one with the X-Drive. I think it'd just be more practical for living here in Idaho during the winter. So, I don't know. But I definitely would like one. Bad looking, but your boy needs some gas, so I'm gonna head over to the Shell gas station, pump some gas. Damn, look at all this line, dude. There's so much traffic. Kinda, but kinda not. And now there's a G7 Corvette behind me. Sheesh. That shit's funny. Damn. It's a girl driving that. Wow. And I explained the purple and everything. That's sick. And we got the yellow C7. And then we got a fucking Challenger, bro. Sheesh. I like the color though. Yeah, your boy needs some gas, guys. I'll be putting gas from Shell, so like normally I'm always here. But whenever I want like cheaper gas, I go to the country store. And if I'm traveling long distance, I'll get gas from Chevron. Just because Chevron's, it lasts a lot longer. Even though it's more expensive, but it just lasts a lot longer. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pump some gas, guys. Yeah, you guys saw how empty she was. And right now, gas price is $4.20. Which I'm thinking it's gonna hit over 60. If it hits over $60, dude, that's a new record. The last record was like thinking $57, $58. Which I wasn't as empty as I was now, so I'd be surprised if it hits over like 62, 63. So yeah, I guess I was $3 off, so it was 60 bucks. I like the color. I came to Extreme because the day I went over to Simon, I killed so many bugs. So yeah, it's just all over the hood. So I'm gonna go ahead and give her a good wash. Rinse her down and dry her. Should be good to go. She's nice and clean, guys. And then we got the Tesla over here. Hey, you guys are still here in the tick, huh? But yeah, guys, finally got the windshield replaced. After getting it replaced twice, guys, twice. I've been looking for a tint shop to be able to tint the front windshield, but no one has hit me up. If you guys are watching this video, if you know someone or you yourself do tint, hit me up, let me know. Hit me up on Instagram, it's only Twan. Is that a fucking fly? Anyways, yeah, guys. I'm really trying to get the windshield tinted, but I was hoping that I could get it tinted before Paul Walker Cruise, but I don't think that's gonna happen. Like I said, nobody's hit me up or trying to make an appointment or anything, which kind of sucks because I had the money, but whatever. Yeah, I definitely need a front windshield, guys, ASAP. See the difference? So if you or somebody can do the tint front windshield, let me know. I want to do ceramic tint, and I want to do like maybe 50, 45 around there. It just really depends what option you have. So let me know. Hit me up. Jeez, that's clean.
The following Thursday.
Hey guys, so it's the next day, guys, and I'm actually on my way to Light Swap because Junior's gonna go ahead and look at the suspension. There's been a kind of like a squeaky sound coming. At first I thought it was the rears, but now I'm starting to think it's the front. So because I do have lowering springs, there could be a chance of premature wear. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take a Light Swap. Junior's gonna take a look at it and make sure that everything's safe. And then I'm thinking I might end up upgrading to coilovers. just depending on what Junior says and what he recommends, you know. But yeah, that's where I'm going right now. I'll let you guys know. I'll give you guys an update. Finally got the car back from Les Schwab, and I ended up finding out what was wrong with the car, or why it was squeaking every time I went over a bump or a dip. And it turns out it's coming from the rear. Actually, it's coming from the driver's side. So it's coming from the driver's side, and basically after I did the aftermarket BMR Camber Arm, I knew there was going to be some squeaky sound coming soon. I knew that there's going to be some squeaky sound. I just didn't think that was going to be like within the same year. But after it getting, you know, worn, after the Camber Arm getting breaked in, like, it wouldn't make sense why they're making that squeaky sound. So I believe it is normal. Some people, it bothers them to they switch out to Steeda. But the thing with Steeda is I've had a buddy of mine snapped his at the drag track. So I basically would not recommend Steeda. I mean, so far these have been good. It's been launching good, and not only that, maybe like have a little bit more camber, positive camber, I guess you could say. At least trying to get close to factory camber. But yeah, it's the Camber Arms. I don't know if you can be able to see it through here. See if you guys can see it under there. I don't know, but what Junior ended up doing is just going ahead and spray some like lubricant. Yeah, so noise coming from the rear camber control arms. Spray some pushing lubricant to help that noise, which this is gonna be a temporary fix for now. Which I think is kind of funny, but it is what it is. I mean, I'm hoping that I eventually will move to Arizona. So I'm not tripping. But she is dirty, guys. And I just washed her like 2 days ago. So I finally made it home. And for the most part, I had the window rolled down, the music off, and I have not heard a single squeak. So I guess it's normal for a BMR Camber Arms to squeak because of the big old bushy. It really just depends on what it's made of. But yeah, like I said, I took it to Les Schwab. I told him about a squeaky sound. I'm thinking it was coming from the rears, but I'm not 100% so sure. Just because I do have like a hearing loss. So my buddy went ahead and checked it out. Like, yeah, they're coming from the Camber Arms, and then possibly the bushing. You can't really tell what it is, what it's made of. But stronger the bushing, the more it's gonna squeak. And I told him, yeah, that's kind of basically normal, what I read. And just, I told him probably I'm gonna have to put some like lubricant or something, which he went and did that for me, and he sprayed some on. I have not heard any squeak at all. Not once. Every bump for like the whole 25-minute drive back home. So yeah, guys, shit looking bad. If you guys are thinking about getting BMR Camber Arms to like get rid of some of the camber, I definitely would recommend it. Just be aware that it is gonna squeak once it breaks in. It really just depends on the pushing. And I did have Tanner. Tanner's the one who installed it, and I did have Tanner to put some lubricant in it, which he did. Like I said, it's still making a squeak sound. Not as bad. Well, at least for me, with the hearing loss, it doesn't sound as bad, as loud. But because I do have a hearing loss, I'm assuming it is louder than what I can hear. So if you guys like this video, please like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. And peace.
I ain't religious, I don't follow no pope. Satan out here knock knocking, ain't no jokes. Going back to my sin like a dog to a bone. Jesus didn't come for first class, he came